Hi, welcome to Toori. In today's video, I will discuss some important facts about fast fission. Why it is important that fast fission affects on our globe or on our earth. So let's explore some important facts about fast fission. For example, if you buy a shirt which costs only $5, it means the cost of this shirt is very low, but actually if you think what is the effects what are the effects of this shirt which I have bought in today, so actually a very low price, so what are the effects behind it on the globe. So let's explore some bad factors of where cost fission. In this video I will show you that our globe is very important, our earth is very important, and save it for you and your children and your relatives and for human being. So let's explore and dive in to the main video and keep to the end and watch to the till the end and you will know what are the main factors behind the fast patient. So let's dive. What is fast fashion? Fast fashion is a system that makes clothes quickly and cheaply to match the latest trends. Brands release new collections every few weeks, encouraging people to buy more, wear less, and throw away faster. This idea started in the early 20s when clothing companies like Zara, H&M, and Forever 21 began speeding up production. They made it possible for everyone to wear runway style fashion at low prices. But here is the catch. While it feels great to get stylish outfits for a few dollars, and the real cost is paid by the planet and workers. How fast fashion hurts the environment? Fast fashion creates a huge environmental footprint, from water pollution to carbon emissions and textile waste. Every stage of production causes damage, from growing cotton to manufacturing, shipping, and disposal. According to the United Nations, the fashion industry produces about 10% of global carbon emissions. That's more than all international flights and shipping combined. Imagine that just by chasing trends, we are accelerating climate change. Water pollution and waste. Let's talk about water, something we all depend on. Did you know that making one cotton shirt can use up to 2,700 liters of water? That's enough for one person to drink for almost 3 years. But it doesn't stop there. Factories often dump toxic dyes and chemicals directly into rivers and lakes, especially in countries like Bangladesh, India, and China. These chemicals poison fish, harm ecosystems, and even make local drinking water unsafe. When you see a brightly colored t-shirt, remember that color may have come at a high environmental price. Toxic chemicals in clothing. Fast fashion also uses a lot of synthetic materials like polyester, nylon, and acrylic. These are made from Petroleum. Yes, so the same stuff used in making plastic and fuel. Every time we wash synthetic clothes, they shed microplastics that go down the drain and up in the ocean. Fish eat them, then we eat the fish, and that means microplastics end up inside our bodies too. Research has found that a single load of laundry can release hundreds of thousands of these teeny plastic fibers. It's invisible pollution, but it's slowly poisoning marine life and the food chain. Air pollution and carbon footprint. The fashion industry is also a major polluter of the air. Factories burn fossil fuels to produce fabrics and run machines, plus transporting clothes around the world from Asia to America and Europe adds tons of carbon dioxide to the atmosphere. Some clothes are even shipped by air to reach stores faster, which increases emissions even more. All this makes fashion one of the largest contributors to global warming. So next time you buy that $5 shirt, remember it might have traveled thousands of miles before reaching your hands, leaving a trail of carbon behind. The waste problem. Here is something most people don't realize. Every year, the world throws away over 92 million tons of textile waste. Most of it ends up in landfills and gets burned, releasing harmful gases and chemicals. Fast fashion encourages people to buy more but care less. When clothes go to and go out of style or fall apart, we toss them. In fact, the average American throws away around 81 pounds of clothes each year. Even donated clothes aren't always reused. A large percentage ends up overseas or in dumps because there is just too much supply and not enough demand. The human cost, while fast fashion hurts the planet, it also hurts people. Most cheap clothes are made in factories in developing countries where workers earn very low wages and work in unsafe conditions. Tragic events like in Rana Plaza collapse in Bangladesh 2013, which killed over 1,100 government workers, revealed the true cost of our cheap clothes. Workers often face long hours, toxic chemicals, and no health benefits. The industry relies on exploitation, especially of women and children, to keep prices low. So the shirt you buy for $7 might have cost someone else their safety or even their life. Fast fashion and cotton farming. Cotton seems natural, but large scale farming is harmful when done irresponsibly. Cotton uses huge amount of water and pesticides, damaging oil and local water sources. In some regions like Central Asia's Aral Sea, water used for cotton irrigation caused one of the worst environmental disasters, shrinking the sea by over 90%. Sustainable cotton farming is possible, but it's rare because fast fashion demands speed and low cost over responsibility. Synthetic fabrics and oil dependency. Fast fashion's love for polyester and other synthetics links it directly to the oil industry. Producing polyester requires massive energy and release greenhouse gases like nitrous oxide, which is 300 times more harmful than carbon dioxide. So every time we buy cheap polyester clothing, we are indirectly supporting fossil fuel use, the same fuels causing climate change. These fabrics don't break down easily either. A polyester shirt can take over 200 years to decompose in a landfill. Ocean pollution and microfibers. Let's turn to the ocean, our planet's and our plant's life source. Studies show that 35% of microplastics in the ocean come from washing synthetic clothes. These microfibers don't dissolve, they float and spread everywhere. They are found in sea salt, tap water, and even the air we breathe. Scientists have discovered microplastics in the Arctic, in whales, and even inside human lungs. All that from clothes we wear once or twice before throwing away. It's shocking, but it's true. Why consumers play a big role? It's easy to blame big brands, but we as consumers, we are also part of a problem. Our demand for cheap or trendy clothing fuels the system. Every purchase we make is like costing a vote for the kind of world we want to live in. If we choose quality over quantity and sustainability over speed, companies will have to change their ways. Small choices like buying second hand, repairing old clothes, or supporting ethical brands can make a real difference. Sustainable alternatives. Luckily, there's hope. Many new brands and designers are promoting slow fashion, a movement that focuses on quality, ethics, and the environment. Slow fashion means buying fewer clothes, but ones that last longer, and are made responsibly. It encourages recycling, upcycling, and fair wages for workers. Brands using organic cotton, bamboo fibers, and natural dyes are becoming popular. Even major companies are starting to rethink their models, introducing recycling programs and eco-friendly materials. It's a small start, but it's a step toward change. What can you do? You don't need to stop shopping completely, just shop smarter. Here are a few simple steps. 1. Buy less, choose better. Pick clothes that are durable and timeless, not just trendy. 2. Recycle and donate. Don't throw clothes in the trash. Find donation centers or textile recycling bins. 3. Support sustainable brands. Look for certifications like Fair Trade, GOTS, or B Corp. 4. Wash clothes responsibly. Use cold water. Wash less often and use filters that catch microfibers. Spread awareness and talk about the issue. Share this video and inspire others to think before they shop. The future of fashion, the good news. People are waking up. More consumers are demanding transparency and sustainability. Technology is also helping with the innovations like biodegradable fabrics, waterless dyeing, and 3D printing, reducing waste. If this continues, fashion can become a force for good, one that respects the planet and its people. But it starts with awareness, and that's why conservations like this matter. So next time you grab a shirt or sell or a pair of cheap jeans, take a moment to think who made it, what's it made from, And what's the cost to the earth? Fast fashion may look good on the outside, but its dark side is destroying our environment piece by piece. It's time for us to slow down, make mindful choices, and wear our values with pride, because real style isn't about having more, it's about caring more. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toori for more eye-opening stories like this. Together we can change the way the world sees fashion, one conscious choice at a time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.